Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we have got the spoilers so far for the BoxyCharm April base box. Now of course there's going to be more spoilers than this, but I wanted to show you all the spoilers all together. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button, make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was about the Boxy Luxe starter box. Congratulations, Makeup Obsessed. Makeup Obsessed says, hey girl, hey, love your content. Thank you so much, honey. That makes me feel so good, and I'm glad that you're enjoying it. And I really appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So again, this is for the BoxyCharm April base box. This is the $25 box. So first is the Benefit Professional Primer. Now there's going to be 2 different kinds. So you could either get the hydrating primer or you're going to get the original primer. Next up is Zoeva Cosmetics. Now there is 1 out of 10 different eyeshadow palettes. So you're going to get one of them palettes most likely, guys. And then, like I said, there's 10 of them. So that is exciting. And I do want to hear below if you do want an eyeshadow palette, which one of these would you like to get? Now next up is the Elemis Superfood Calm Hydration Juice. And then last but certainly not least is the Elemis Calm Cleansing Foam. Now guys, I do have another spoiler that I found on Instagram at BoxyCharm News. Now, as far as I could see about this is going to be a spoiler for anybody that completes their beauty quiz on BoxyCharm or the sign-ups. If you just signing up, you can get these. So it's the Baddington Beauty Monroe 3D Silk Lashes plus the glue kit. If you want to sign up or anything, I got BoxyCharm linked down below if you want to go do that, or if you finish the beauty quiz. Now, as far as I know, that's the way it reads to me. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Pauline Lane. Pauline says, hi, girl. Well, hi, Pauline, honey. It's always nice to see you in the comments. You're always watching my videos, and I couldn't appreciate it. I couldn't be more grateful for you. Thank you so much, Pauline, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check, make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube's been stealing subscribers like crazy. But if you would double check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.